Circular knitting machines always produce a tube-shaped fabric. They exist in different sizes or diameters depending on the field of application. The needles and sinkers in these machines are arranged in a circle. What can we make with a circular knitting machine? The options for circular knitting machine patterns are nearly endless. Some of the most popular projects include hats, scarves, gloves, afghans, socks, headbands, loveys and toys, home decor, pillows, scrunchies, handbags, pet sweaters, and more.
The machines can be divided into two different types, depending on the number of sets of needles: single set, plain, two sets, rib, interlock, spacer fabric. Both single-set and double-set machines also exist as jacquard machines, which are needed for special designs. Circular knitting machine diagram.